Matteo Tapia is set to go down against Adri Saavedra. Now this looks like a very difficult fight to call. Yes, Matteo Tapia is undefeated. That's true. This Aussie fighter is a champ though, and he's tried Gilbert Gonzalez, Eric Robles, Abdul Mayweather, Rando Monsila, Renaud Quinlan on 2 occasions, Steve Collins Jr. But I think Andrei Elchino Saavedra is the toughest call and the toughest challenge he has ever faced. This 5'10 fella out of Ciudad Bolivar, Venezuela, is also champ. He destroyed Isaac Hardman, Oscar Meza, Roger Guerrero, lost to Tundi William. I see a chance for Matteo Tapia if the fight advances into deep waters. But that's the only way for him to win. If this fight ends quickly, then we have a problem. Then Saavedra probably gonna put him to sleep. I'm saying fight not going the distance though. I see a knockout in this fight. And I think Saavedra has what it takes to knock out Tapia and hand him his first ever loss.